Sea lift operations between floating vessels and fixed structures have traditionally been performed without heave compensation. Introducing National Oil Well Varco's one-dimensional in-air compensation mode for sea lifts towards fixed installations. This is a new mode built on NOV's well-proven active heave compensation technology. The mode is available in NOV's new builds and as a retrofit to existing cranes. It has been field proven on several vessels and has been very well received by our customers.